Yeah, Ramesh is also here. So Barney, you can start.
So Nanda, Prashant, and Ramesh, we already discussed, right, on this Sunday.
Correct, correct. Yes. That's what Barney. We
Yeah.
reached
So,
out because we couldn't get your connect from that institute. So luckily, we have reached out to this institute so that we can go ahead with your training. I think you also understand what is our requirement, and I think you are aligned what need to be
okay.
taken up. So that's the reason
Yeah.
why we connected back here. So we'll be happy if you can start directly. We don't need any demo because we already connected and we understood your way of teaching, and we have also provided what is required. So I think we should start the class, and we are good to go ahead with it.
Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Hello. Nanda, sorry for the confusion. I thought I was asked to give the demo for the new guys. But, so there is some confusion with the institute. So I even we didn't get a server. We are getting a server by tomorrow only. So I thought this is a demo session.
Okay. Okay, I think there was some miscommunication. I think Ashok,
Yeah.
we have already said that, right? We
Yeah,
already
I
got
was
that
asked to give
link.
demo for the new
Yeah,
guys.
I got connected with that guy. So he said that tomorrow will be the first day of the session. So that's why.
So anyway, Bharani, I think
Mhm.
you understood what is our requirement. So I definitely need your help to just to
Yeah.
help us with the required concept of which our guy, my main lead is Ramesh. Okay. So I think Ramesh
Mhm,
has already
mhm,
given you the insight of what is required. So we'll be very happy if you can
mhm.
just touch base with those concepts on a priority so that that will make our life easy. That is what is our requirement.
Sure. I will deliver the entire topics, whatever you asked. Okay.
Ramesh, anything I missed out, Ramesh? I think you forgot. I think we have communicated, but if you want to touch base those things again, or maybe you can put that in a chat so that it can be for the reference for everyone.
Yeah, maybe I can do that. I'll put that in the chat.
Perfect, perfect, Ramesh. I think that should be helpful, maybe just for a reference. And Bernie, what would be the tentative time you would like to take the session? Is this 6:30 to 8 or 6 to 8 is convenient for you, or is there any other time slot which you want?
6 to 8 will work.
Perfect,
Because
perfect.
after
I
8,
think
I have
this
some other
also
calls.
works. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm okay with that. I'm just asking. You should be comfortable because you should not have any other calls, or you should not having other pressure, so that this session should not get skipped. That is the only reason why I was asking.
Thanks, Nanda. Thanks for understanding.
Ramesh, I think it's convenient for you, correct?
Yeah,
Ramesh.
6 to 8 is fine.
Perfect, perfect. Because you are only the one who is supporting on the other time frame. So I want you to be available. Maybe Ramesh, you can just type one by one, and then maybe you just.
Totally, how many members will join?
We 4 people will definitely.
4 people. Fine.
We 4 of them will definitely go ahead with this.
Bharani, the chat is disabled. Will you be able to enable that?
I think that might be from the HKR.
No, even I don't have access for it.
I think HKR group member is there, somebody.
Yeah, whoever it is from HKR, if you could enable the chat.
No, actually, it's disabled from the admin itself.
Okay, so whenever, Ramesh, you can just verbally, you can just mention the thing. So will you people be able to type that from the HKR group, at least in the chat, or you don't have an access?
No.
Okay, you also don't have. Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. Or maybe
So, Ramesh, you can put like.
Yeah,
I
so
see
Bharani.
somebody as Mohsin. So is it from the HKR group, or is somebody from the same? Is one of the candidate who is looking for this?
No,
Yeah,
I am
he's
from
from
HKR.
HKR.
Okay, perfect. Then that's fine. No, if some other guy is there, so he can just introduce to Bharani, and maybe he can clarify his related queries. So that is why I was asking. Go ahead, Ramesh. Then.
Yeah, so as we have discussed earlier as well, so we are looking for some specific topics, and some of those are, on the special customs procedures, which are the bonded warehouse, the foreign trade zone, the inward processing. So all these processes, like it should be shown in detail in the system, especially the configuration and other prerequisites or criteria, for these processes. For instance, for FTZ, if at all the FTZ process has to be executed, then the prerequisite is there should be an FTZ relevant product. So likewise, there would be something specific for other processes as well. So if you can let us know both the prerequisites and the configuration part, that would be really great. And also on the integration, as we have discussed, we would like to know the integration part from the SAP side, if at all we are integrating SAP with the third-party systems like Seaburger. So we would like to know the integration from the SAP side. Maybe it's not possible from Seaburger, but yeah, at least from SAP side, we would like to know. And also the customs management. If you could show us on the duty calculations, that would be really great. And apart from that, the SPL and preference rules, the XML file, if you can show us an example and how the process of uploading that into the system. So and of course the on the preference management, the tariff shift rule and regional value content, if you could discuss on that, that would be really great. And yeah, and while showing us the um, uh, system practically, like whenever you, if you could show uh, the comparison between GTS 11 and GTS E4H, that would be really easy to understand for all of us, what are the new changes that has been implemented in E4H, and what are the major changes that we have when compared to GTS, the previous versions, that is GTS 11 or even the older versions. So these are the few requirements that we have. So if you could discuss, then that would be really great. Yeah.
Ramesh, I got it. So when it comes to special procedure, special customs procedure, I can show you the detailed overview and configurations for bonded warehouse, foreign zone, outward processing lift, inward processing lift, everything. But the thing is, we cannot export much data in E4H system. Since the demo system, we don't have much data for that. So I can show you the configurations and prerequisites, everything. Okay, and I will show some real time cases, how we can encounter
Yeah.
the if any issues comes border warehouse, if any issues comes for outward, and I will show that. But
Yeah. Wherever it is
we do
not
not have much
possible.
data for
Yeah.
those areas.
Wherever it is not
Mhm.
possible, maybe you can showcase the same in GTS 11, if that's fine.
Fine, fine. And
Yeah, as
also
you
I will
said, in
show the
E4H, it's
difference
not
between
possible.
GTS 11 and E4H.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when it comes to customs management, I will show everything, like how the communication will work, how it is integrated with the Seabugger, and how the PPF will work. PPF means post processing framework. It's a very important topic in GTS. So based on that, our communication will happen. So I will explain you, and I will show the configuration path for everything, and also I will show the configurations for SPL and preference rule, like how to upload the XML files, how to upload SPL files, HTS files, what are the configuration record for that. I will walk you through everything. Like, and one more thing, I can show the integration with S4 HANA, integration with the non ERP systems like Oracle and other CBuggers. But the thing is, integration with the ERP transportation and integration with the ERP extended warehouse management. This is something doubtful because we don't have much data for that.
I think that is fine, but whatever requirement that I mentioned earlier, if you are addressing those, then we are good on that.
Then
I
fine.
think, Ramesh, we can
You
have
want
that same template. See, the process of uploading
Yeah.
something from the third party system is just that will come and sit in our SAP directory. And
Yeah,
then
yeah, yeah.
probably the program will pick it and then it will go and upload the table. So if we have a similar kind of a template, I think that would be easy for us to understand, right?
Yeah.
Bernie, I
And
think
apart from that, there are a few configuration steps that needs to be
correct.
so that has to be done. So Bernie would be showing us those.
Correct. The mapping of that fields and with that respect to table fields,
Yeah.
I think these are the few things which we need to understand.
Yeah.
For every company, there could be a different mapping or
Sure.
whatever the available fields. Out of that, what are the fields which we wanted to map? I think that configurations and all that we need to understand. Other than that, the process wise, it would be more or less the similar, coming to an AL directory, and from there, a program will pick it and upload them.
Yeah, but what Bernie was saying is that we were discussing on the integration part. So he mentioned that he would be able to show the integration with Seaburger and other third-party systems, or maybe even S4 HANA, the ERP systems, but he will not be able to show the integration between transportation management as well as warehouse. Is that what you mentioned, Bernie? Correct me
Yes,
if
you're
I'm
right.
wrong. Yeah. So he was discussing on the integration part from
you're right.
from GTS to transportation management as well as EWM. So that is what we were discussing. So I think if you're not able to show the integration between TM and EWM, I think that should be fine. But maybe just just an idea. I mean, maybe theoretical
No, but,
wise, yeah.
no, but in that case, Ramesh, then how a document which is performed with the goods receipt and all that will travel to GTS? So after that only we'll be processing the GTS one, right? The pro forma invoice, and then only it should move out to a connected system, to a C-Budger or something. So if we don't perform anything at the EWM step, TM I can understand we don't need it. But if we are not performing any EWM step, whether my data will be able to transfer to the GTS?
I think he's maybe the systems might have already been integrated. If I'm not wrong, correct me, Bernie. But what Bernie?
Okay, the integration part.
Yeah,
Okay, I
yeah,
got it. The
yeah.
integration of EWM with the GTS. Okay, I don't need that one.
Yeah.
That's okay. That is okay, Barnaby.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that is okay.
I'm fine.
I'm confused
Fine,
if that is not there, but the connectivity is already there. You are just saying that you will utilize it. May not be able to showcase us the connectivity of EWM. That is okay.
You're right. Yeah.
I think we have set
Fine.
the
Not from my end.
expectation. We have set the expectation. I think if the HKR group people are there, so can you please confirm by tomorrow you will be able to provide us the access and it will be available for our training.
Yeah, regarding the training part, actually the trainer presently one session is going in the evening time, Indian evening time. So that is going to get completed by this weekend. So he can continue the classes from Monday, right, Bernie?
No, I think
Yeah, it is Monday till fine for me. Good for me. Or else,
no. Can we just no, because as I said, Bernie, so we are about to start something in August, and if we are delaying it, it may impact my timelines. So, is there any other timeline, Bernie, at least for this week? At least you can just accommodate so that you can just walk us through the initial things.
okay, let's do one thing. Can we start it from Friday?
Okay, just tomorrow is only one day, so I'm okay with Friday.
Yeah.
Okay, Friday, that's fine with me. I just really don't
Yeah.
want to prolong it much. So Friday should be the confirmed things. I think I was trying to
Friday.
reach one of the guys from the
Yeah.
HKR in the morning, but I was waiting for the call. So maybe we can connect back and try to see how quickly we can get that access and all that.
Yeah, sure, Nanda.
Sure.
Perfect. If nothing is there, so I'm fine
Friday,
with that.
what time?
Is it on the same 6 to 8? That's what you mentioned, Barney.
6 to 8, yes. Same
Oh.
timings on the 6 to 8.
Okay.
Yeah, fine then.
So are you conducting the session on Saturday or Sunday?
If you're okay with Saturday and Sunday, I can take it.
We'll be happy, Varni, because as I said, I have this deadline to start by August, and we haven't started any training as such. So
Okay.
I think I'd be more happy if you can extend that one.
Okay, from the next weekend, maybe from next weekend we can have.
Okay, not an issue. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, then. I think I'll connect back
Yeah.
with the HKR
Thank you.
group people, and probably we
Friday
can
is
talk.
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.